Okay, so today we're gonna go in with the Too Faced Peppermint Mocha palette, and then you're gonna grab that super like pale pink and just go in windshield wiper motion, just back and forth. Try to get that little bit of color in. It doesn't really look that great on camera, but yeah. So then you're gonna go in with the Kylie Jenner I Want It All palette, and then the same palette with that like purpley violetish color next to it. I don't know the exact name, but of course I'll list the names and the items down below in the description like I've been doing recently. Then you're gonna go back on top with that pale pink and just keep on doing the windshield wiper motions to kind of blend it. Then you're gonna dab in. Why I keep dabbing it in the outer corner is to get it darker. And then you're gonna go in with like a little blending brush to kind of blend it all out. Then you're gonna go in with the Estee Lauder concealer, and you're basically going to do like a little, I guess like half cut crease kind of thing. It's not a full cut crease, but you like halfway cutting it, and just try to take your time because you want it to be precise, because you want the white part that you see on the left side to be like super crisp and like show that it's a cut crease. On this side, I don't think I did that good. I don't know if I go back in with concealer or what, but I don't like the way that looks right now that I'm looking at it. I wish I would have went up a little bit more on the concealer, but I guess I know what I'm doing, you know. So yeah, then you're gonna keep on blending, and you just keep dabbing like into that outer corner to make the color darker, because if you notice, the more I keep dabbing into it, the more the color shows. Okay, yeah, B, there you go. You know what you're doing. Okay, so then I'm going back in with that Estee Lauder concealer and still kind of cutting that crease. I look like I'm trying to fix what I'm talking about, but I didn't really do it, but we'll see. Then you're going to go in with this other Estee Lauder little palette, and then I got this pink color that's in there, and then I just kind of smoke it out. I smoke it out to make it kind of look like a fade ombre-ish type of thing. I don't really know how to describe this. Like, this isn't reverse ombre. I don't know what this is, to be honest with you. All I know is that, yeah, I'm just putting white and pink together. So then in the inner, basically the inner corner slash part of that little eyelid, you're gonna go in with that white color that I dug into. And you're just gonna keep on patting. Okay, so then you're gonna go like in the inner corner, you're gonna take that little flat brush and then keep on like with that white color and just pat it in. At first I try to do it with my finger because it brings out more pigmentation, I noticed, but then I try to get the little brush to kind of like evenly spread out the white eyeshadow. And then I just kind of clean up because right there it was kind of looking messy, so I just got like a little wipey and cleaned it. Then of course I'm blending out the colors again and kind of blending and like smoking it out almost, the eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna get this duo glue and I'm just gonna press it right there, and that's gonna be for the glitter because unfortunately I didn't have glitter glue, so I just had to work with what I had to achieve the look that I wanted, ladies. So, you know, had to use whatever I had, and I forgot that I had that white glue. And then you're gonna go in with this matte glitter. This is actually from a holiday set, maybe like 2 years ago, 3, shit, it's been a minute. And you're just gonna press that glitter right there. And that's what I'm saying, it looks like, I don't know how to describe this look, like half cut crease, half white glitter, like I don't know how to describe it. But anyways, you're gonna go in patting motions and just kind of pat all the glitter right there to get it to stick, because I noticed like some of it was kind of falling off. So then you're gonna wipe off the fallout, because this is why we don't do our foundation before our eyeshadow, because you want to clean the fallout. So then you're just gonna go in and deepen that color again, that like violet-y, pinkish, purple, whatever you want to call it, and make that outer eye darker. Then you're gonna go in with this other MAC pigment. It's from a collection, a holiday collection also. It's like pinkish, whitish, I don't know how to describe it, like baby pink, really soft. And you're just gonna go in with it and you're going to pat it on your eyelid where you had that other white shadow. So then you're done. Well, you're gonna keep on just patting it in, whatever, and I think I'm gonna get a brush to kind of blend it out, I'm not sure. And then you're gonna go in with your Lash Domination Mascara by Bare Minerals. You just need a little mascara just to coat it. And then I'm gonna put my eyelashes on, which I do off camera, I wanna say. And then once I put the eyelashes on, I basically complete the look. I do my whole face off camera, my face makeup. Let me know if you want me to do a full face, like, you know, what I do makeover. And those are Bombshell Cosmetica lashes. And then I use the NYX Super Skinny Black Eyeliner. It's a Bomb AF. And then I'm gonna use a MAC, and I want to say an Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. Oh yeah, I forgot. Also, I go under, and I'm going to like basically kind of smoke out that color or whatever to give that under eye look. And yeah, then we use those lipsticks that I talked about, and the look is done. Okay, so this is the completed Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I also hope you guys enjoyed the anti-Valentine's Day makeup look, but I just wanted to bring in this look because of course Valentine's Day is coming up. We're about a week or two, I want to say, away. What's today? The 29th, January 29th. So we're only a few days, like 2 weeks away. So I wanted to do this look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I finally kind of did something different, like with all pinks and stuff like that. I've been trying to bring the colors in because, you know, it's the holiday season and, you know, holiday vibes, aka Valentine's Day. And this is perfect for like a date night look. Shit, even if you're going out with your homegirls, you know, because you don't need nobody for Valentine's Day. I feel like Valentine's Day is such like a hypocrite day because you're supposed to love whoever you're with 365 days out of the year, not just one day, and be like, oh, I love you, here's roses, here's this and that. Like, no. But if I could say my ideal Valentine's Day, I would go like get tatted with my boo, which I don't have. And we would get like tattoos or something like that, because that's what I did last year by myself. So yeah, that'd be my ideal plans. Comment down below what your ideal Valentine's Day dates or day in general would be. Probably gonna be by myself, and I'm probably gonna get another tattoo, if we're being real. But yeah, this is the perfect look. You know, I just wanted to bring some pink vibes in because that's what everybody's been doing. So I'm like, okay, I gotta hop along the pink gang train. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Nikki. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. Tell your friends about my video. Tell your mama, your granny, your daddy, and yeah, thank you for watching.